If you're short the DAX, yes. So the DAX 30, first of our European movers, around 11,067, down 2.01%, but it had been a good deal lower than this morning. Further easing of yuan FX rates piles pressure on German exporters, which are a mainstay of the DAX 30. Having said that, if you look at the regional breakdown of where German companies get their sales, whilst Asia Pacific is a large component, it's not the biggest. So perhaps again it's just an excuse to
or it was the hope value of what China could bring, and obviously may not do so.
Well, that's possibly the opportunity cost may have gone. You might well be right there. Anyway, it's certainly been a morning for sellers of the DAX so far, and then we move to Unilever. I've gone with the London line here. We could just as easily have looked at the Dutch line, but in London, ULVR the ticker, £27.97. They were trading shortly before we came on air, down around 3.88%. And why? Well, I think China probably has some relevance here as well, but probably of equal, if not greater importance, is a note from Goldman, which downgrades the stock. They say sell, spread too thin. I think that's an attempt at humour, given the company's history of margarine making. They cut their price target to £25.60 from £28.20, and they highlight the threat from e-commerce to the wider sector, something they call the infinite shelf.
Really in a bad mood there, because I mean, obviously spread too thin could be that the company is an international company with interests and products all over the place.
Well, I'm sure that's what they really mean, but I'm sure the double entendre wasn't lost on them either.